So I've recently discovered how you can actually add sounds on your iPad or your iPhone. So yeah, what you need is the MP3 converter. And if you ever downloaded sounds on Drive, make sure you have that, and also just make a file and import those sounds into, or copy the sounds into the file. Alright, so now I have my MP3 converter. Just go into the app, press this button right here, this purple one, press iCloud. You could tap on any sound you want to convert. Just any sound. Any sound. Sound effects, actually. Okay, this one right here. So just press this one and then press convert, press export, then press sticknodes pro to open it in there, and then it will carry you to the app, and then it will show this that says the sound file sticky fingers to 14. So there's the sounds, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.